Alright, so here is the first official video for Wizard Girl RC. And I'm going to be cutting out this Pandora Nissan Laurel C33. This will be my drift car body. So we will go step by step and what the build process looks like. And we'll go from there. The cool thing about this Pandora body is it comes with the light buckets and bumpers. And it comes with this sticker pack as well. The only downfall is you do have to print out your own window masks, but they do give you the window mask sheet. So I'll just print them off on a piece of paper and then cut them out. But yeah, I'm super excited to cut this out and get it mounted to my chassis. I'm running a Rev D RDX chassis with scale reflex Gorilla mounts. So I'll be using magnet mounts to mount this. So we'll see color choices here in a second too. Be using PS53, which is their lame flake from Tamiya, and it's like a super glitter. It's a clear glitter coat basically. And I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do this cobalt green, which is PS54 from Tamiya. But I found this blue violet and I really like it, so I'm gonna spray that on a test piece and see how much I really like it, if I want to do that or if I want to do the cobalt. And then I'm gonna do something with gunmetal, but I don't know what yet, so stay tuned. We're doing some testing. This is the PS35 blue violet, and then this is the cobalt, and I'm gonna do the cobalt. So I just love that color. So I just finished cutting it out. Got my bumpers cut out and my light buckets. So now it's time to start masking. Alrighty, so I got my body all masked off. Now it's time to start painting. So it might be kind of hard to see, but I have done a pearl coat, and then I've done quite a few coats, pretty much like an entire can of the PS53 from Tamiya, which is the lame flake, but it's like super sparkly. So I did quite a few coats of that. When I do a coat, I do a light coat, and then I take my hair dryer and I blow it off to dry it. So now it's on to the blue. So this is after almost an entire can of the cobalt green from Tamiya. I still have to back it with the gunmetal, but she looks pretty good. So this is after pretty much an entire can of gunmetal. And I also used that as my backer as well, so I could get my cobalt green just a little bit darker. So now I'm going to take an X-Acto knife And I'm going to make some black window trim pieces.
Do that.
So to do that, I just take my X-Acto knife. I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use a little bit different bit. But you're going to actually cut the window film out. So you just, or not the window film, but the overspray film. And you just cut where you want your black window trim to be. And then you peel off your trim. And then you spray the outside with your black. And you can do just regular Lexan body paint. So PS5 is the gloss black. And then you can take a matte clear coat. I don't remember the number off the top of my head, but I think it's like PS 50 something, I think. Oh, that was close. It's PS 55, so it's a flat clear. So then you can spray that on top of the black to make it look matte if you want. Or if you want it to be glossy, then you can just keep your PS5, which is your standard gloss black. So we're gonna do that now. So far it turned out really good. I might have to keep these white wheels on my car. So I just got done taking my X-Acto knife and cutting out around the window trim. And there is a fine like indent line that goes around the entire window. And then you take and you go on the inside of the window. I don't think I did this yet, so I better do this before I forget. So you go on the inside of the window. And go all the way around. Because obviously you want your windows, well, it depends on what you want. If you want your windows to be completely blacked out, then, you know, take your whole window film out. But I think I don't know if I want them clear, if I want them smoky yet, like window tint. So I'm gonna do this, and then you just kind of take and you grab your window trim and peel that off. And if it sticks, you can just grab your X-Acto and kind of cut it off a little bit. And like this, it peeled up a little bit, so I'm just going to make sure that that's back down so that way I don't get anything on my window. So now I got all of those done, and I'm going to go spray. We'll see what it looks like. Alright, so I just spray painted the outside to do my window trim. So now it's time to pull the film off. I can even grab the film.
Camera doesn't even do it justice. Still has the film on the windows.
Oh yeah, yep. I got my mask on the inside still too.
Now remember, if it comes up hazy, it's because you just pulled the paint off and not the whole window film. It happens.
I like right there, I didn't get the window film at all.
Yep.
There we go.
Hey, filler.
Oh, yep. Thank you.
That looks good.
I gotta pull my masks off. All right, Mr. Nemo. It's super sparkly, like my personality. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle.